Good morning. It's Thursday, August 31st, 2023. I'm meteorologist KJ Allen. This is the Georgia WeatherNet Morning Update. Busy day yesterday, and my voice is showing it, so hopefully I can rest my voice a little bit today, but as it looks like I can. This morning looks good. Radar is checking clear. We'll see a few showers and thunderstorms pop up, especially through South Georgia as we move through the day today, but Tropical Storm Idalia is gone up there behind the logo where it belongs. We can scoot around the radar here, and you can see the storm is about ready to depart from the North Carolina coastline and pretty much head due east and toward the southeast out toward Bermuda. But we have no concerns with Idalia whatsoever ever again. It is gone. We'll take a look at the rest of the tropics in just a second. I want to show you the temperatures around the state this morning. Fairly mild as we get started in North Georgia, showing some upper 60s, right around 70 up in Rome, mid-70s in Middle Georgia, and some upper 70s in South Georgia. It is not 32 in Valdosta. We're showing the upper 70s there, but a little issues down there with some storm damage to the weather equipment at the airport. So, yeah, it is not at the freezing point in Valdosta this morning. And the dew point readings, this tells another story. Look at the drier air in northwest Georgia, showing those low 60s, so that's noticeably drier. Still showing the 70s in the southern part of the state, but we're going to see that dry air continue to filter down toward the southeast, especially along the eastern edge of the state as we wrap up the week and head into the weekend, and that will be nice. Look at the tropics. So there's Idalia, right off the North Carolina coast. Tropical storm, no problem there. Franklin still a big hurricane. That's going to continue to move northeast into the cooler waters of the North Atlantic. Jose is a tropical storm. No worries about that. That's going to move due north and end up turning into a tropical depression fairly quickly. Could be later today. And then we have the red X off the coast of Africa on the right side of the screen. That wave is starting to form, and a good chance that will become our next named storm, and so we'll keep an eye on that. Probably going to curve off to the northeast before reaching us. That's developing just a little too far to the north for it to be one that could traverse the Atlantic, but we'll keep an eye on it nonetheless. Let's take a look at our modeling for today. There's Idalia up there off the North Carolina coast, and as we roll through the morning hours, it just starts to fade out to the east, out to sea, no problems. For us, looks good. Just a few clouds around through the state today. This morning, no problem. This afternoon, maybe a couple of showers starting to roll up from Florida, so we'll look out for a rain chance, especially from Bainbridge, Cairo, Valdosta over to Brunswick, and a few showers could start to move up into Albany and Waycross later on into the evening hours. Nothing severe is expected. We have no level 1 through 5 severe weather risk for the next 3 days, just a general thunderstorm risk, mainly for South Georgia and primarily near the Florida line and in the southwest corner of the state. Overnight tonight, some clouds, maybe a few showers still around, again pushing up from south to north, so Columbus to LaGrange could see a little rain, maybe a few showers in metro Atlanta as well, but that high pressure is going to be off to the east. Not really going to call it a heat dome. We are going to warm up a bit as we head into the weekend, but this is going to mainly keep the eastern edge of the state dry as we move through the day tomorrow. So look at that, all the rain mainly to the southwest. Few thunderstorms in the southwest corner of the state. Saturday looks pretty good. Some showers could be around. Other than that, looking good as we move through the day. And Sunday will be warming up a bit more, but it looks like rain-free. And if you're planning on Labor Day activities, also, for the most part across the state of Georgia, pretty good. Maybe dodging a few showers in the southern edge. That's your morning weather update from the Georgia WeatherNet. Now your local forecast from northwest Georgia to southeast Georgia.